In this video I will show you how to make the milk buns. We need white wheat flour, salt, yeast, butter. Cut the butter into pieces so it's easier to get them combined into the dough. Cold milk and a little bit of sugar. Mix the dough in the first gear for 10 minutes. Then shift into the second gear and knead it for 3 to 7 minutes depending on the machine you are using. And now a key baker factor: use this trick to make your dough real good. For this trick I'm forming a ball with the dough and then I'm stretching it carefully into every direction. If the dough is kneaded enough, you should be able to create a window that is so thin you could almost see through it. Now form the dough to a ball and let it rest for 40 minutes. Make each dough 80 gram heavy. Give them a round shape. Hold your sheet and place your buns on it. Now let the dough ferment for 60 to 90 minutes. This one depends on your room temperature. Now get yourself some tool to press the milk buns so they get a known for shape. I use this lid. When pressing down, make a little turn. Scramble an egg or two with a fork. Spread the liquid egg on the milk buns. Don't use too much. Now heat up the oven to 230 degrees as the pressed down milk buns have to ferment again for 30 to 40 minutes. Bake them with lower and upper heat for 12 to 50 minutes. Don't be alarmed when the buns seem to get too dark. That's the egg which gives them the color. The milk buns taste the best when you use the best ingredients you can get. That's my secret to good products, really. Thanks for watching, and as we say in Switzerland, en gute.